Bakit natin? Hello everyone, it's me Louie Corpus with my mama, very loving mama. Thank you mama for everything. Today, we're gonna go walk again from Middle Quarry going home to Camp Allen. So, just like a while ago, we came from there, we went here. Now, we're gonna be coming from Middle Quarry going to Camp Allen. Thank you so much. Here's my mama. Love you, ma. Thanks for everything, mama. So I'm now walking. This is still Middle Quarry. Look at those plants. Okay, we are already here. Lower QM Quarry. That's a jeep you can ride going to town. But no, I'm just gonna walk. So we are already here in City Camp. Okay, we're gonna go up the overpass. ABS-CBN. Gonna go up the overpass. Oh. This is the City Hall Insular Overpass. Okay, this is the City Hall Insular McDonald's Overpass. It's dismissal time for school, so it's a little traffic. So we're going to City Hall. We are now here, Baguio City Hall.